Are you in an emergency situation without access to clean drinking water? Don't panic. In today's survival guide, we'll show you how to utilize aloe vera to purify water and quench your thirst. Aloe vera isn't just a soothing gel for sunburns, it can also be used as a natural water filter. Here's how. Step 1. Find a healthy aloe vera plant and collect a few leaves. Make sure they are clean and free of any damage or decay. Step 2. Using a sharp knife, carefully remove the outer green layer of the aloe vera leaf. This green layer contains aloe, a compound that can cause stomach discomfort. Step 3. Squeeze the transparent gel from the leaf into a clean container. The gel contains polysaccharides that can aid in water purification. Step 4. Pour the dirty water into the container with the aloe vera gel. Mix it well to ensure proper filtration. Step 5. Allow the mixture to sit undisturbed for at least 2 hours. During this time, the aloe vera will bind with impurities and sediments in the water. Step 6. Slowly pour the purified water into a clean container, leaving behind the sediments at the bottom. Congratulations! You now have purified water ready to drink. Remember, this method is not foolproof and should only be used in emergencies when no other options are available. It may not remove all types of contaminants, so it's essential to look for alternative water sources if possible. Thanks for watching our survival guide on utilizing aloe vera for emergency water filtration. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more valuable information on survival techniques and tips. Stay safe, and always be prepared. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more informative content.